Introducing Cybrosys Assista, an advanced IDE forked from code open source software designed exclusively to supercharge your Odoo development journey. From custom module development to database management, Cybrosys Assista brings everything you need right at your fingertips. Deploying Odoo for custom module development, Assista makes onboarding simple. Configure, deploy, and start building in minutes. Accelerate coding with rich Python snippets for Odoo models, fields, functions, and actions. Whether it's Python models, controllers, or XML reports, file snippets handle the boilerplate for you. Instantly scaffold Odoo modules, from basic to advanced, Howl to website themes, including modules with system tray icons. Boost productivity with Assista's built-in coding agent. Switch modes to get help as a code wizard, Odoo technical expert, Odoo functional expert, or Howl.js expert. Why Cybrosys Assista? Because you deserve an IDE that understands Odoo faster, smarter, tailored for Odoo professionals.